Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.